Hello students, in previous class I taught you new lesson, that is factors and multiples, and we have completed first exercise also, that is factors and multiples. In today's class I am going to teach you rules for divisibility. Rules of divisibility means when I give you some number, by seeing you have to tell me whether it is divisible by 2 or not, or 3 or not, like that. That is the divisibility rule. Now, first we will start with divisibility by 2. When a number, I can tell that it is divisible by 2 when a number ends with 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. For example, I will write 128. See here, which is the last digit here, unit place digit, that is 8. If the unit place digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, then that number will be divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2, this full number, because it ends with 8. And 100, this is also divisible by 2. Why? Unit place digit is 0. These two are divisible by 2. Now, I will write 121. Is it divisible by 2? No. Why? Because unit place digit is 1. What is the rule of divisibility test of 2? Unit place digit should be 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Next, divisible by 5. When I can tell a number is divisible by 5? If it ends in 0 or 5. For example, see, 50. It is divisible by 5 because unit place digit is 0. Condition is 0 or 5. 105, this is also divisible by 5. But 181, is it divisible by 5? No, because unit place digit is 1 here. If I write here 0, 1810, is it divisible by 5? Yes, because unit place digit is 0. 10,985, is it divisible? Yes, unit place digit is 5. This is the divisibility test of 5. Now, divisible by 10. When a number divisible by 10? When it ends with 0. For example, 10, 100, 120, 130. See here, last digit is 0. It is divisible by 10. If I write 1021, is it divisible by 10? No, because last digit is, unit place digit is 1. It should be 0. Next, divisible by 3. If the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3, when I can tell a number is divisible by 3? If when I add all the digits of a number, and if it is divisible by 3, then I can tell that that number is divisible by 3. For example, I will write 204. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. For that, what I should do is add all the digits. 2 plus 0 is 2. Plus 4 is 6. See, you have to add all the digits. 2 plus 0 plus 4. What I will get? 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Isn't it? 3 2s are 6. So So the given number is divisible by 3. One more bigger number I will take. Now here also we will add all the digits. We will add all the digits. 1 plus 9 plus 2. What I will get? 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. See, you can observe that 12 is divisible by 3, isn't it? 12 is divisible by 3 because 3 4s are 12. So the given number is divisible by 3. Now, one more number we take, 292. We'll check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. We will do 2 plus 9 plus 2. What we will get? 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Here you can observe that 13 is not divisible by 3. So, the given number is not divisible. Only these two are divisible. Now, same condition for 9 also. Divisible by 9. When I can tell divisible by 9? If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9. It is there in your textbook. You can copy all this by 9. If the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9. We'll check this. We'll give different number. Okay, small number with 81. So what is 8 plus 1? Which is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. One more, 198. We'll check whether it is divisible or not. 198, I can write it as add the sum of all the digits. Add all the digits. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. Is divisible because 18 is divisible by 9. And one more, 2079. We'll check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. So we'll add all the digits. So what I will get here? 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So of course it is divisible by 9 because 18 is there in 9 table. This also. And one more, 1036. We'll check this 1036. Okay. 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6. Add all the digits here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So here you can observe that 10 is not divisible by 9 because 10 will not come in the table 9. So it will not divide by 9. Okay. Now next divisibility for by 4. If the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, then I can tell that given number is divisible by 4. For example, 126. Here you can observe that what is the last two digit? 26. Is it divisible by 4? 26 is divisible by 4? No. In 4 table it will not come. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. So 126 is not divisible by 4. One more example. 1008. Which is the last two digits? divisible by 4? 0, 8? Yes, 4 2s are 8. So it is divisible. And one more, 126. Not 126. Sorry, same number we have to take it. 293. Is it divisible? You can observe. Last two digit is 93. Is it divisible by 493? No. So it is also no. And one more. 2012. See here last two digits. That is 12. Is it divisible by 12? 12 is divisible by 4? Yes, 4 3s are 12. Here only you have to see last two digits. If it is divisible by 4, then I can tell that given number is divisible by 4. Now, next, divisible by 6. When I can tell a number is divisible by 6? If it is divisible by both, if it is a number, I can tell that divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, we'll check one example. Okay, 1200. Here you can observe that last digit is 0. What divisible test of 2 tells? If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. Then we have to check 2, 3 also. See, what we have to do? We have to add the all digits. 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0. What we will get? 3. Is 3 is divisible by 3? Yes. See here. What divisibility test of 3 tells? If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, then we can tell that is divisible by 3. These are one more example I will give you. Now, one more example. 25,670. We check whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. For that, what I will do is, first I will check last digit. It is 0. So this is divisible by 0. Sorry, it is divisible by 2. Next, I have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. When it is a number is divisible by 6, when it is a number is divisible by 2 and 3. For that, I will add all this. 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0. So what I will get? 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. So 20 is not divisible by 2. So number 25,670 is not divisible by 3. So the given number is not divisible by 6. The given number is not divisible by 6 because it should be divisible by 2 also. It should be divisible by 3 also, but it is not divisible by 3. So the given number is not divisible by 6. Dear student, I hope you understood understood whatever I taught you, again you revise this and remaining exercise sum we will do in next class. Thank you children.